These are the parts that were included in the package. One of the sleeves are not there. I installed it on the shift handle, as you can see, and I'm going to go ahead and finish the install, and then I'll come back to this later. These are the parts that were included in the package. There are 4 sleeves showing, but I took one out that I installed on the shift shift arm itself. As you can see, I had that right here, so we'll see how that works. This is a picture of the stock shift knob. As you can see, it's pretty much worn out. The plastic is broken off of the the rubber plastic is broken off from the harder plastic mold. So I'm going to take this off and put on a different shift knob. And to remove this shift knob, essentially you just turn it to the left, and take a little bit of effort, but you just keep turning it and it'll start to loosen up, and eventually, after probably about, I don't know how many rotations, the knob will screw off, come off just like that. Pretty simple. Honda shift knob, 5-speed in reverse, and that's it. Replace the old broken shift knob with a Skunk2 shift knob. Replace the old broken shift knob with a Skunk2 shift knob.